Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment we're going to cover what are timing belts. Okay, the timing belt on a vehicle is usually contained inside the plastic covers on the front of the vehicle, and what it does is it connects the crankshaft to the camshaft. The camshaft in the engine on a 4-stroke engine turns at half the speed of the crankshaft, and they need a way of connecting those two together and make sure their accuracy and timing stays correct. They stay in direct relation to each other at all times, so that the valves and firing order open and close at the correct time in relationship to the position of the crankshaft. So what it is a rubber drive belt that connects those two devices together, the crankshaft and the camshaft, and that keeps that cam timing correct. That's how it got its name, timing belt. The timing belt is a rubber belt. It usually has ribs on it to make sure that the sprockets don't slip or jump out of alignment. It also uses high nylon fibers that hold the belt together to give it added strength. Now the belt itself all have limitations. They're designed to last on some vehicles 60,000 miles, other manufacturers 90,000 miles. That information can be found in your owner's manual, and you need to make sure that you replace that at the recommended service intervals, because if the belt breaks, depending on the type and design of your engine, your valves may run into the pistons on the crankshaft and causing internal engine damage. So that's what a timing belt is.